to tell you something different. You all are well here, and students, once upon a time, what happened, I was sitting in the park alone, and one of my teacher came and sit beside me and said, "Honey, what is wrong with you? What happened? You are looking upset." I said, "Ma'am, what brings you here?" She said that I was taking a stroll and saw your dejected face, and I got worried. What is wrong with you? Then I discussed my problem with my teacher and said that I wanna be a doctor, but my parents as well as kith and kin are desirous to see me as a teacher. My teacher laughed at me and said, "It's just a big problem. Just go for your dream. Do midnight oil for your achievement." I said, "Thank you, ma'am." Ma'am said that, "Beta, do one thing, keep it in mind. If you need any type of help, just call me. I'm always at your disposal." I said, "Thank you, ma'am. I'm very much grateful to you." Ma'am said that, "Beta, can you do me a favor?" I said, "Of course, ma'am. Why not? I'm always be there for you." Then ma'am said that there is a temple, and I was listening some there. Why don't we go there? We went there and settled down there and listened some ritual things and some type of preachers preach. And when the preacher gave the mana to my teacher said that God bless you. So students, keep it in mind, we all are using thank you word, and in reply of thank you we are using welcome. Can you understand that what is the actual meaning of welcome? Welcome means स्वागत है आपका, और we are using you are welcome. Can't you get bored from that welcome word? You are welcome, आपका स्वागत है. Why don't we use some word different in my story? I have used different words like I'm grateful to you, it's okay, it's all right. Always keep it in mind when somebody offers you something or when somebody favors you for something, you should speak like that. If somebody say thank you so much, then you should say mention not. You can explain thanks word like thank you so much. कोई आपका बहुत बड़ा काम कर देता है, आपके बिजनेस में हेल्प करता है, आपके स्टडीज में आपको कोऑपरेट करता है, that person give guideline to you. You should say so sweet of you, so nice of you, very kind of you, grateful to you. Grateful means मैं आपका आभारी हूँ. And in place of thank yous, different 5 keywords, we should say mention not, it's okay, it's all right, it's my pleasure, pleasure is mine. So students, let us revise the words. I have used the word kith and kin. Kith and kin means relative, हमारे रिश्तेदार. And the teacher and the student put the question from the teacher in my story. What brings you here? Means how do you come? आपका यहाँ आना कैसे हुआ? Next thing is that mana. Can anybody knows about mana? जब भी हम गुरुद्वारे में जाते हैं, किसी मंदिर में जाते हैं, मंगलवार के दिन आप हनुमान जी की भक्ति करते हो, डिवोटी टू हनुमान जी, जाते हो प्रसाद लेकर जाते हो, किसी को आप प्रसाद सर्व करते हो तो आपको वो क्या बोलता है, गॉड ब्लेस यू, ब्लेसिंग्स देते हैं. तो प्रसाद को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं, माना. और राधा स्वामी सत्संग घर में जो पाठी अपना सत्संग सुनाता है, जो सुना रहा है, who is listening, that we call preacher, or whatever he told to us, that is called preach. satsang. And next thing is that teacher said to me, go for your dream but keep it in mind. ध्यान रखना. Do midnight oil means दिन रात एक करना, hard work करना. Speechless. मैंने अपनी टीचर से कहा कि मेरे पास आपके लिए, आपको थैंक्स कहने के लिए शब्द नहीं है. I have no words to say thanks. So that we call speechless. And my teacher also said to me that I am always at your disposal. Means by hook or by crook I am there with you, there with you. Means चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए मैं आपके साथ हूँ. Hope you all got my words. If you want to write it, then you can write it. Let's revise it again. Mana, Prashad, Preacher, Party, Sam, Bhajan, Preach, Satsang, Midnight Oil, Hard Work. Speechless, no word to speak. And I am always at your disposal. By hook or by crook, I am with you. And next thing is that, what brings you here? Means आपका यहाँ आना कैसे हुआ? हमारे जो रिश्तेदार हैं जिनका आना जाना जनरली लगा होता है, that we call, that we कहते हैं ना, a guest is always welcome. हमारे इंडिया में गेस्ट का बहुत स्वागत होता है. हम उन्हें बहुत ऑनर देते हैं, रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं, give respect to them. So there should be a good word for them, ना? We got bored from the outdated words. So why don't we take a good word for in place of relative? Take kith and kin. Relative means kith and kin. Good. So repeat the words which we use in place of thanks. Thank you very much. So sweet of you. So nice of you. Very kind of you. Grateful to you. And how to give reply? Mention not. It's okay. It's all right. It's my pleasure. Pleasure is mine. That's all from my side. And one more thing, one more information I want to say to you. When somebody come to our home, we asked, how are you? हम लोग कैसे बोलते हैं? How are you? That is quite wrong. We should say, how are you? How do we say? How are you? How are you चलती है. कैसे याद रखेंगे? How you will keep it in mind? How are you चलती है. How are you? How are you? Do practice of that. And next thing is that when your lecture is over, when you will disperse your class, what should you say? You always said, have a nice day, ma'am. Ma'am is also saying, same here. Don't say, have a nice day. Speak something different. You are the part of modern world. So you should say like, ma'am, have a chocolatey day, have a peaceful day, have a great day, have a calm day, have an energetic day, have an enthusiastic day. So guys, nice meeting with all of you. Have a great day. See you soon.